Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. According to the Global Startup Ecosystem Report 2026, what global rank has Bengaluru secured among the world's top startup ecosystems? Right answer is option C, 15th rank. In June 2026, which union minister launched India's green hydrogen certification portal to support the certification of green hydrogen production? Correct answer is option B, Pralhad Joshi. In June 2026, researchers from which institute developed a portable device named Arsen Safe for the rapid detection of arsenic contamination in drinking water? Correct answer is option C, IIT Bhubaneswar. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron jointly inaugurate the India France Deep Tech Platform Bharat Innovates 2026 in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Nice, France. Which famous artwork from the Harappan era will have its original image re included in the NCERT Class 9 art textbook Madhurima? Correct answer is option A, Dancing Girl. In June 2026, which country's former president Yoon Suk Yeol was sentenced to 30 years in prison on charges including aiding the enemy and abuse of power? Right answer is option B, South Korea. Where was the fourth cyber dialogue between India and the Netherlands held in June 2026 to strengthen cooperation in the field of cybersecurity? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who became the joint highest wicket taker in international women's cricket across all formats in June 2026 after equaling Jhulan Goswami's record? Correct answer is option B, Deepti Sharma. In June 2026, which union ministry launched a premium signature brand and store named Risa Timeless Tribal to promote indigenous tribal weaves and crafts? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. In June 2026, where did the Reserve Bank of India launch the RBI Reelathon 2026 campaign to spread awareness among college students about cyber financial fraud? Correct answer is option A, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala. According to the World Bank's Global Economic Prospects report released in June 2026, what GDP growth rate has been projected for India in the fiscal year 2026-27? Correct answer is option C, 6.6%. Which country's space AI company, Telepix, signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian space startup Bellatrix Aerospace to launch a very low Earth orbit satellite? Correct answer is option B, South Korea. In June 2026, which institute released Anchor, described as the world's most detailed 3D atlas of the human brainstem? Correct answer is option D, IIT Madras. In June 2026, near which Indian coast did the Indian Navy successfully extract an unexploded missile warhead from the Marshall Islands flagged crude oil tanker Empty Olympic Life? Right answer is option B, Kochi coast. Who became the first serving officer to be appointed to the post of military advisor at the National Security Council Secretariat in June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Ghai. In June 2026, researchers from India and Japan studied the sun's magnetic field using the Grapes 3 telescope. Where is this telescope located? Right answer is option B, Ooty, Tamil Nadu. For whom was the first global treaty establishing binding labor standards adopted at the 114th session of the International Labour Organization held in Geneva? Right answer is option D, gig and platform workers. Where was the Asian Senior Fencing Championship 2026 held for the first time after India hosted the championship in June 2026? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. In June 2026, which state implemented Project Hinichi to curb illegal opium cultivation and promote alternative livelihoods for farmers? Right answer is option C, Manipur. In June 2026, the Bureau of Indian Standards completely banned the use of the potential carcinogen epichlorohydrin and chlorine bleaching for the manufacturing of which product for the first time? Right answer is option A, tea bags. In June 2026, which former captain's cricket team did Kane Williamson represent before he announced his retirement from all formats of international cricket? Correct answer is option D, New Zealand. Where was the Global Wind Day 2026 conference organized by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy on 15th June 2026? Right answer is option C, Goa. In June 2026, the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of Shri Mahalakshmi Urban Cooperative Credit Bank because of financial weaknesses. In which state is this bank located? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Who led India at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit held in Dushanbe, the capital of Tajikistan, in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Kirtivardhan Singh. In June 2026, what percentage of pure ethanol did the central government legally approve for use as vehicle fuel in the country? Right answer is option D, 100%. Who became the first individual content creator in YouTube history to surpass the milestone of 500 million subscribers? Right answer is option B, Mr. Beast. In June 2026, which state government announced an increase in the free rice quota from 5 kilograms to a total of 10 kilograms per month under the Mukhyamantri Annapurna Yojana? Right answer is option A, Odisha. Which country activated its first space weather monitoring satellite named Solar One in June 2026? Right answer is option C, United States. According to the Army Uniforms 2026 manual released in June 2026, which indigenous attire was approved for the first time as part of the formal dress code for military officers? Right answer is option B, bandy jacket. Which city hosted the second India Logistics Conclave 2026 in June 2026 on the theme One Fraternity, One Vision, Logistics Driving India Towards Viksit Bharat? Right answer is option B, Mumbai. Who became the first footballer of Indian origin to be included in the playing 11 of a FIFA World Cup 2026 match? Right answer is option A, Sarpreet Singh. Which pharmaceutical company launched the country's first regulatory approved radioligand therapy, Pluvicto, in India for the treatment of advanced prostate cancer? Correct answer is option B, Novartis. In June 2026, what new base year did the central government set for the wholesale price index series, replacing the previous base year of 2011 to 12? Right answer is option D, 2022 to 23. Which country is hosting the biennial multinational military exercise Pitch Black 2026, in which the Indian Air Force will participate? Right answer is option B, Australia. In June 2026, more than 5,000 dancers created a Guinness World Record for the largest Bharatnatyam dance lesson by performing together at Gal Face Green in which city? Right answer is option C, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Which ministry launched the Yoga Park portal to promote preventive healthcare across India? Right answer is option B, Ministry of Ayush. From which city did the first Airbus C-295 military transport aircraft manufactured in India under the Make in India initiative complete its first successful test flight in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Vadodara, Gujarat. Who became the first male footballer in the world to play in six editions of the FIFA World Cup in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Lionel Messi. In June 2026, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav virtually inaugurated a new 20 kilowatt Akashvani FM transmitter in which border area to strengthen broadcasting services? Correct answer is option A, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. How many Indian startups were included in the World Economic Forum's Technology Pioneers list for 2026? Right answer is option C, 9. Which state became the third state in India after Kerala and Odisha to ban the synthetic herbicide paraquat in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. In June 2026, where did the Defense Research and Development Organization successfully conduct the flight test of the long range land attack cruise missile? Correct answer is option B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island, Odisha. On which date was World Crocodile Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, June 17th. With which Indian institution did Francis Dassault Systems collaborate to launch India's first nuclear engineering design center, CODEEN? Right answer is option D, IIT Hyderabad. Whom did the central government appoint as the chairperson of the High Level Technical Expert Committee on Labour Statistics in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Professor Alakh N. Sharma. In June 2026, the Department of Posts successfully launched its first drone based mail transport service on the Mandi Riharadhar route in which state? Correct answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. In which states did the Ministry of Defense approve the formation of two new independent National Cadet Corps state directorates in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. In June 2026, under India's BRICS presidency, the 13th BRICS Urbanization Forum concluded in which city with the adoption of a joint declaration? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. According to the Sensor Tower report, which digital wallet app became the most downloaded digital wallet application worldwide in 2026? Right answer is option C, PhonePe. Which university secured the top first rank in the Central University category in the Indian Institutional Ranking Framework Rankings 2026? Right answer is option D, Jawaharlal Nehru University. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.